Some gift cards. Sorry, but I do have to buy a lot. And I do like 20 gift cards with $50 each in it. I just want to give you some gift cards if that's okay. So $45 here. It's 45 in here. You got it, bro.
There you go. You got
some gift cards, man.
Right there, gift
Right
card.
there.
Right there by your feet.
Wait, do you help me get a milkshake?
That's $3.15, so it's $45 in here for you. Huh?
What?
15's in here each.
$45?
Yeah. Just go ahead and get some food when you need. I just want to give you a gift card for Jack in the Box.
Thank you, Ron.
It's $50 in there, man.
Thank you.
Of course, I appreciate you. No, stay safe out here. I just want to give you a gift card for Jack in the Box. Man, it's $50 in here for Jack in the Box. So when
you
you get a
serious?
chance, yeah, if you
Thank
need
you.
some food, okay? It has a $50.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, for
Thank
Jack in the
you.
Box right there. So whenever you get a chance, just go ahead and get some food. Here.
Thank you, bro.
And here, go get some Jack in the Box when you can, okay?
Okay.
All right. Get some food when you need
Yeah.
it.
Thanks, man.
Okay.
Hey, man.
Get some food.
See, God meant that for you.